Howdy y'all, Fast Force 289, welcome back. In this video, I'll be working on my 1968 Fastback, so let's go ahead and jump into it and take a look at what we got. Okay, so the issue that we have is with my shifter here. You can see that the ball here, we got a problem. It's stripped out, or it's coming loose. It's broke somehow, the threads are coming out or something, and I guess it's because of too many hard shifts. But it's coming loose. Not real bad, mind you. It's pretty tight still, and I could leave it. But I figured now's a good time to change it. So what I decided to go with is this white Hurst shifter ball. Just for something different. I don't know if I'm going to like the white or not, seeing as how the whole interior is black. There's nothing in here else that's white, so I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I figured I'd give it a shot. If I don't like it, I can always change it back to a black one later. But there's the part number if you need it, and what it looks like, and I got this off of Amazon. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is break this nut loose here. And it's 9/16. And then we can open up our new one. And they do give you a new nut, but I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with the one I got, so I'm just gonna leave the one on the shifter that I have now. Turn it down as far as it'll go. Well, can't do it as far as we'll go, but line it back up. Okay, so never mind, we can't use this nut because of the way it's made. So take that off, and there's a possibility might be able to do it without the nut at all. I'm gonna see. I probably could, but it's not real tight though. I feel like it would break loose after a while. So we'll try the new nut with it and see. Yep, perfect. And that gives me just enough to reach it to lock this back down. So you do have to use the nut, or at least in my case I had to use the nut that came in the kit. So yeah, very nice. It's definitely something different, but I do like now how my shifter ball says Hurst to match the shifter itself instead of the old one that I had that just said MDL for modern driveline. So I do like the black one, but I'm gonna give this one a shot and see. All right, and just to give a look at what it looks like from up here. See, it looks pretty good. I don't know, like I said, I like it. It's something different, but I don't know that I'm gonna keep this, you know, because I do like the black ball, how it just kind of blends in and matches the boot and the carpet and everything else inside my car. Everything else in here is black, so I like how it matches everything. But I kind of like this one as well. It's kind of like that old school hot rod, because, you know, a lot of times you see the white shift ball inside hot rods, and it is kind of cool. So I'm going to try it out for a while and see how I like it. Yeah, it looks very nice though. I'm happy with that. So, and now it's nice and firm again. It's not coming loose. Here's a look at it kind of outside the car and see how it looks. I said it stands out. It definitely stands out. The one thing about the white shift ball is it definitely helps stand out amongst the black interior. That's for sure. But there we go. And that is a done deal. Alrighty guys, well that's it. This was a quick, short, simple little video, but I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought it was kind of funny. The other day I was sitting there kind of doing some bang shifts and noticed that thing coming loose. I'm like, what the hell's going on? So, and I actually thought what it ended up doing was pulling the thread insert up out of it some. It came loose. I thought it broke the plastic, but that ain't the case. It was actually the thread insert itself that came loose. But either way, I went ahead and just ordered me another one, and I was kind of wanting to order a Hurst ball anyway to match the shifter. The MDL, I forget why I ordered. I can't remember if it was like on sale or if it was like a discounted price because I was buying from Modern Driveline. If they sent it to, I can't remember why, but because I thought I had ordered a Hurst before, but it was always a Modern Driveline. But anyway, so I went ahead and ordered me a Hurst shifter. I figured I'd try the white one just to see, and I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. But we'll see. You know, we'll see if I like it or not. If not, I'll just go in there and order a black one that says Hurst. So anyway, that's all there is for this one. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. And thank y'all for continuing to watch. I can't tell you how much it means to me. I really appreciate it. So, as always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the drop box down below. And I'll get back to you as always. So that's all there is for this one. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.